Hello friends, welcome back. This is Cloud Institution. We are doing Microsoft Excel and now we are going to look at dates. As you know, dates are very important part of any data set and we can quickly use control plus semicolon for current date. We can use format cells option in the menu for formatting the dates. We'll see that. And then we can use simple date functions. Okay. Now the Excel date functions can be one of these. One is the today function, then the now function, day, month and year function, and then we can add number of days to the existing date, or you can remove number of days from the given date. We'll see all this. So the first thing, let's head to Excel, and as we saw, you can use control semicolon for the current date. Now you can see the date here is showing as 17th of February. Okay, there's one more way to get the current date using is equal to today and open close bracket. That's it. This is another way to use the today function. Now if you right click on the date, right, you can see one particular menu called format cells, right? If you click that in the format cells, you will come to various options. Okay, let us do once again. So right click, format cells. Okay, here you will come to the first option, which is number, and in that you have date. And then you can set what kind of format you want for the date. So for example, if I select this one, you will see that the date is looking differently, right? Like 17th APR 25. So it's your wish actually. You can change the look and feel. Now that is one. So if I also want to use now function, you can just is equal to now close bracket. You will feel the difference, that is in the now we are also getting the time. Like right now it is 12:09 time. Okay. And this also, let us see if I can right click, go to format cells, and here we can decide how we want the time to be shown. Let's try this one. Let's look at this one. And here you got the time as 12:09:50 p.m. So it's changed the style. Of course, the date is not available here because we have changed the format. Okay. You can do this. Now going forward, if you want to extract date or a particular month or year from the given date, you can use like this, is equal to day. Okay, once again is equal to day, and you can select the date and close the bracket. You will get 17, which is the date, right? Similarly, is equal to month. Select the date here, press enter, it's your month, that is April. And finally is equal to year, and select the date, close the bracket, you will get the year separately, right? You can do like this. Now the next step is, suppose we have the date here, or let's call this like this, let's say start date and end date. Okay, now start date is the date which we have now, so we'll say today, and suppose end date is after 5 days, so you have to just write is equal to start date plus 5, so it will give you the end date automatically. Okay, here it is calculating exactly 5 days after 17th. Okay, just once again I'll show you, delete this, here is equal to select the start date plus 5 days, like this. Okay, and if you do a minus, then it will give a date before this. So like for example, here if I come here is equal to this date minus 5, so then it will give you 12th, right? This could be something like, let's say application date, application end date or final date, like this. Okay, so it's very interesting to work with dates in Excel. So again, very important stuff is about your practice. So more and more you practice, more and more you will get confidence. Again, you can select all these, right click, go to format cells, and if you want you can change the style of uh, the way it is shown. So for example, here if I give like this, here you are getting the day also, like Saturday, and then this Thursday and this Tuesday, like that. Okay. All right. Just one thing would like to tell here is that the format of the date depends on your system settings. Like for example, right now it is showing in the US format, which is month followed by day followed by year. In India, basically we follow DDMMYY, that is day, then month, and then year. So that changes, if you want to do, you have to do the changes at the system level. So right now, just keep that as information and don't worry about it. So I'll see you in the next video with the next set of operations. Thank you for now.